So today we'll try and make a new video of how we recommend installing these brake pedal covers we make for the Fisker Ocean. This was the original we made, first one. Initially, some people felt they were afraid it was going to come off. Never heard about it coming off anywhere, but we made the lip on the back here a little bit tighter to have a better grip. It made it a little bit harder to put on, but we'll show what technique we do and hopefully it will help for the installation. The other one, the wave pedal, initially was too difficult to put on. So we made the grip in the back a little bit looser, still a nice wide lip. We use the same technique. So I'll show here how I install them using my hands only. And after that, my wife will try with using a tool. The back side of the Ocean pedal has a little bit sharper edge. It's not going to cut your fingers, but it could be unpleasant to some people. Same, the edge of this metal pedal is a little bit rough, but I don't think it's going to cut anybody. I'll start with this one, the Ocean pedal. We want to put the top side on first. Make sure both corners are down. Go around the edge and end over here. And don't be afraid to be rough on it, because it can handle it, and like you have to show you the boss when you put it on. So we'll start up top. Make sure it gets over the edge, both corners. Pull it down. Nice tug. Get the edge over here. Pull towards you so you get more space. Couple of fingers here, couple of fingers here. Oops. Let's try again. Get over here. And it's on. Make sure you check along the edge. You don't have any folds. And the Ocean pedal is on. Now I'll try with the wave. Use the same method. Get the top lip on first. Make sure the corners are in. Pull it down. Get a couple of fingers in. Get the lip around the edge. Pull it towards you. Make sure that you hold it down. Show it who's the boss. Get a grip. And check all the way around. Make sure the lip is all the way over. And voila, it is on. So, top edge, make sure both corners are down here. Make sure you get the lip around the edge here. Pull it towards you as far as you can. Hold it down, pull out, and put it down.
Hi, it's Shui here, and I'm going to attempt to put these pedals on myself with the tool. Hubby's hands are magical, so he can do this no problem, eyes closed with a Q-tip, but I can't. I'm like the common folk, so let's see how I do. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and put that upper lip right here and tuck it in first, followed by gripping onto my screwdriver and pulling it along the way out. This is my 5th time trying, so we will see how this goes. Okay, so I tucked that corner in. And I tucked this corner in. I'm going to do the same thing as I did in that other first video I made, which is pull this lip out while gripping onto the screwdriver and just kind of pulling it around and helping it around the corners as I'm pushing down and having some pressure. So I've not tried to install these new pedals, or the newer version, and I will say this actually feels easier. Again, this is like my 5th time. 4th time was also on record. Okay, so let me slide this. There we go, you can kind of feel it folding along. And there it is. So that's my 5th time installing. This was easier than the first time I've done this. 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time. So I actually attest to that. Now we're going to try the wave pedal. These are not easy to take off, and for good reason, so bear with me. And here we are with the wave pedal. Same method my husband used of pulling the lip over the top corners first, except I will be having assistance because my hands are not made out of steel. So, and I'll help it over the lip a little bit. Nope, don't do that. And there it is. I don't know how long this just took me. This would be my, so the last one was my 5th time installing a pedal. This would be my 6th. So it's not like I do it frequently. And judging by that, I probably could not do this with my bare hands, but totally doable, as you can see. Snug as a rug, or snug as a bug in a rug, and good to go.